Hi, today we talk about how to block unwanted Yahoo mails. So for this purpose, first you need to open Yahoo Mail at your PC. For blocking unwanted Yahoo mails, what you need to do, at the top right corner you have account info option, click on it. Once you click on it, then this will pop up. Here you need to select settings, then at the front of this you have go button, tap on it. Then this type of settings page will appear on your screen. Here on the left side of the screen you have blocked addresses button, click on it. Then blocked addresses page will appear on your screen. Here you have this box. Here what you need to do, just enter that email address whom you want to block. So for example, here I enter this email address. Once you enter that email address whom you want to block, then click on this add button. Here you can see that this mail is blocked. If you want to unblock this, here at the front of this mail you have this trash button, just click on it. So you can see that you have unblocked this email address. So this is the easiest and simplest way to unblock unwanted Yahoo mails. Thanks for watching.